Have you ever wanted to turn your creative talents into a business? It can be an intimidating process, but with the right idea and a bit of determination, you can make it happen. With today's technology, it is easier than ever to start a business and reach potential customers. With the right tools and guidance, you can achieve success in turning your creative dreams into reality. In this video, we will cover 8 great easy DIY business ideas to help get you started on the road to success. Let's get started. Number 1. T-shirts and printed merchandise. If you don't consider yourself to be crafty but looking to start your own business, this is the perfect opportunity for you. You can create amazing designs and have them digitally printed onto various products such as T-shirts, mugs, bags, keychains, and dog bandanas, and get them shipped right to your customers. If you're the creative type, then exploring the art of screen printing might be a great way to express your artistic side. You can make your own prints at home or in a studio and have total control of how they look and feel. T-shirts and other custom merch can be a great addition to any existing business. Whether you're a gym, charity, or musician, selling branded swag to your audience is a great way to generate additional revenue. Not sure about the design? No problem. There are plenty of talented people out there who can help you turn your ideas into something tangible and ready for sale. There are print and fulfillment apps like Printful, Lulu Express, Guten, or T-Launch apps that easily can integrate into a Shopify store and automatically print, fulfill, and ship each order. The t-shirt business is lucrative because the industry continues to grow in value. The global custom t-shirt printing market was valued at $3.64 billion in 2020. For some inspiration, the company Big Frog makes $500,000 a year by selling t-shirts. Number 2. Jewelry. Jewelry making is a popular and profitable business idea. From simple beaded necklaces to intricate silversmithing, there is something for everyone. However, due to the saturation of the market, it's important to do your homework in order to stand out from the competition. With careful research and planning, you can create beautiful jewelry pieces that customers will love. To succeed, you must create strong branding and craftsmanship that will set you apart from the competition. One way to do this is to identify a niche market and tailor your designs to meet its needs. By doing so, you can build a unique identity and establish your brand as an expert in that particular field. To ensure your jewelry idea is in line with current trends, make use of the data available on Google Trends. Additionally, remain up to date by following top fashion influencers and content creators to stay ahead of the curve. For example, Maya Portorio started Kit & Co. with just $2,000 as a one-woman team in 2019. Making $45,000 a year at her full-time job, her jewelry side hustle generated $250,000 in her first full year. She entered into a brand ambassador promotion on Instagram and took business classes that helped her grow her sales to $472,000 in 2020 and $350,000 in 2021. Her pieces range from $30 to $250, making them affordable jewelry. Number 3. Photography. With the power of the internet, anyone can become an online entrepreneur and start their own photography business. Thanks to the myriad of tools and resources available today, photographers can easily create and market their work. From building a website to creating digital portfolios and managing social media accounts, photographers have access to powerful tools that will help them launch their businesses quickly and effortlessly. With a little bit of hard work and dedication, entrepreneurs everywhere can make a living by selling their photos online. This has never been easier. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist with a smartphone, you can make money by selling prints of your work, licensing your images to stock photography websites, or even selling your photos as digital downloads. The U.S. photography market size in 2022 was $11.5 billion. Call Me Lil on YouTube made $3,000 a month of passive income selling his stock photos. Number 4. Subscription boxes. For those who want to enter the business of selling products, but don't want to devote too much time and effort to crafting them, a gift box business could be a great option. With an eye for curation, making and selling assorted gift boxes can be a profitable venture. Subscription boxes make shipping easier due to their uniform setup. The products are the same size, packed together, and ship at the same time each month. This makes it a much more straightforward process. Before setting up your business, take the time to evaluate your storage and assembly needs. Consider if you can operate from home or if you'll need to rent out additional space. Incentivizing customers is a great way to generate sales. You can offer discounts for those who commit to making subscriptions upfront, or provide the first month free of charge. The subscription box market is projected to grow at an exponentially fast pace, $42.3 billion between 2021 and 2027. Number 5. Bath bombs and handmade soaps. Bath bombs and soaps are popular items, and they are easy to make. With a few simple ingredients, you can create something special that your customers will love. Plus, each bath bomb or soap bar is unique, and it's an opportunity to be creative with your designs. Not only are bath bombs and soaps fun to make, but they are also profitable. Customers are always looking for something special for themselves or to give as thoughtful gifts, and handmade bath bombs and soaps are the perfect way to stand out from the crowd. With a little bit of marketing, you can reach a wide audience and make a good profit. You can also use a variety of marketing tactics to promote your products. Social media is an effective way to reach out to a large audience, and you can use influencer marketing to boost your sales. You can also create unique packaging and offer discounts to gain more customers. The global bath and shower products market is projected to grow from $44.78 billion in 2021 to $63.16 billion in 2028. The average price of a bath bomb is about $8. After your cost of ingredients and packaging, your profit margin should be about 80%. In your first year or two, you could sell 150 per week, bringing in $62,000 in annual revenue. This would mean nearly $50,000 in profit, assuming that 80% margin. For soap, you can charge between $5 and $10 per bar and easily make an extra $1,000 per month. Number 6. Candles. The candle making industry is highly competitive, but there are several untapped niches to explore. If you're just starting out in the candle making business, there are lots of helpful DIY tutorials online to get you off on the right foot. Creating your own candles is a breeze with the help of melt and pour methods, making it perfect for even beginner crafters. This opens up a huge opportunity for people looking to make money online. And according to estimates, the global candle market will be worth $16 billion by 2031. Candle making is an art that has been around for centuries and continues to evolve. With the right creativity, a candle making business can be a great way to make money. One way to stand out from the competition is to offer customization options so they can create personalized gifts or wedding favors with their own messaging. A real-life example is a company called BLK Sunflower, a candle company that makes $250,000 a year. The founder, Jasmine, was able to turn her candle business into something great on a small budget. Apart from the cost of supplies, she only had to spend $100 on Instagram ads when she decided to pursue BLK Sunflower full-time. What an amazing achievement! Today, BLK Sunflower pours at least 200 candles every week and has been featured in magazines like People, Cosmopolitan, and Elle. Whether you want to know how to start a candle business or want to turn another handcraft hobby into your full-time gig, BLK Sunflower's model is an excellent one to follow. Number 7. Sweets. Sweets is a huge market, with candy, cookies, chocolates, baked goods, and jams all being popular. The possibilities for what you can create are endless. Plus, there are plenty of opportunities to be creative and tap into this trend. Of course, there are also some specific regulations to adhere to, such as labeling and shelf life considerations. But overall, the sugar-filled industry is booming. If you are looking to start your own sweets business, there are plenty of niche markets that provide the perfect opportunity to explore new ideas and test out products. From holidays and occasions to custom, novelty, catering, pet treats, and gift baskets, there is something for everyone. Local craft fairs offer an ideal testing ground for your new sweets business, as they provide a great platform for you to showcase your products in a low-risk environment. With the right marketing strategy, you can take advantage of these niche markets and build a successful sweets business. The total confectionery category hit $36.9 billion in retail sales for candy and chocolate in 2021 and is projected to reach $44.9 billion in sales by 2026. For example, the Chocolate Smith Company earns $200,000 a month selling chocolate, and they started by making chocolate out of their house. Starting your own business can be a daunting prospect, but it doesn't have to be. Homegrown businesses are the perfect springboard for aspiring entrepreneurs. With a homegrown business, you can start as a side gig and learn the ropes before making the leap into full-time entrepreneurship. You'll set your own working hours, build up capital from extra income, and gain valuable experience that will help you in the long run. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like and hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and don't forget to subscribe.